Great starts lead to great finishes, and great finishes can lead to more great starts. Securock Roof Boards help you start strong, finish strong, and keep your business building. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board and Securock Gypsum Fiber Roof Board are UL classified and FM approved for use in low-slope commercial roof assemblies, and both are made in the USA. Securock Gypsum Fiber Roof Board outperforms the competition and is made from 95% recycled material. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board meets stringent industry performance requirements and specifications while being easier to handle than competitive glass mat products. Plus, both boards come with the customer service, flexibility, and responsiveness that only USG can deliver. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board is a high-performance, non-combustible, moisture and mold-resistant roof board. It scores a 10, the highest score for mold resistance on ASTM D3273. Plus, it meets Factory Mutual Class 1 and Underwriters Laboratories Class A fire ratings for unlimited slope in fire barrier and thermal barrier applications. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board enhances the durability of the entire roofing system when used as coverboard in single-ply mechanically attached systems, and has several performance and handling attributes that make it superior to competitive products. When installed over a wood deck, Securock Glass Mat Roof Board acts as a fire barrier. On metal decks, it acts as a thermal barrier. When installed over insulation, it protects against foot and construction traffic and hail damage. And used over an existing roof, it acts as recover board, creating a smooth, uniform surface for the new system to be applied to. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board is available in a range of thicknesses. Each unit has a pallet card attached to the side for easy identification of size and thickness. Removing Securock Glass Mat Roof Board from the unit is easy, using a process we call drag and drop. Because the panels are stacked face up, they're easy to maneuver. Simply slide the board off the stack and let it land flat, keeping hold of the edge. Then, just drag it to where you want it and let it drop. If you need to carry the board, be sure to hold it in an upright position. Holding panels incorrectly can result in breakage. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board has a high-quality, tightly woven mat with engineered glass that produces less loose fibers, which makes it less itchy and easier to work with. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board and the substrate must be kept dry during installation, so only install as much as can be covered in one day. Butt board edges and ends loosely, and be sure to stagger the boards as you go. Long, uninterrupted runs that are over 200 feet may require slight gapping to accommodate for thermal and hygrometric expansion. Screw attachment of the board is fast and easy. Just be sure to strictly comply with FM's published requirements and roof membrane manufacturers' written recommendations. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board is easy to score and snap. Its high mat-to-core tensile bond strength also makes the mat less likely to peel back and helps ensure clean edges and no burring. To cut the board, first use a utility knife to firmly score the board. Then snap the board in the opposite direction. Next, simply cut the backside and you're ready to go. Pipe penetrations and other circular cuts are simple. Mark the desired outline, then use a jab saw to remove the area that you've marked. For box and radius cuts, mark the cut line for the area that needs to be cut, then use a jab saw to cut out. It's that easy to accommodate shapes like air conditioning units and ductwork. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board is ideal for use as a cover board under single-ply, mechanically attached membrane, such as EPDM, TPO, and PVC. As a coverboard, Securock Glass Mat Roof Board will protect insulation from crushing caused by foot traffic, construction traffic, and hail. From handling to installation, Securock Glass Mat Roof Board goes down fast, is economical to install, and works in a variety of situations, so you can be sure that you'll achieve a great finish, one that leads to many more great starts. A quality roof requires a coverboard that adds dimensional stability and surface protection. Securock Glass Mat Roof Board is an outstanding coverboard that will lead to increased roof lifespan and future savings. For more information on the products you've seen, visit usg.com/securock